This is a brand new 2012 Volkswagen Jetta. It features a 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. Its top features and packages include the appearance package, Bluetooth cell phone integration, a power moonroof, a built-in iPod integration cable, Sirius satellite radio, and the heated seats can warm you up in seconds, keeping you and your passengers comfortable the whole trip. The following features are also included: a split folding rear seat, cruise control, a rear window defroster, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, a passenger side vanity mirror, a security system, traction control, an anti-lock braking system, a keyless entry system, and air conditioning. With an EPA estimated rating of 42 miles per gallon on the highway, this automobile helps leave money in your pocket where you want it. Call or visit us right now and arrange your test drive today. Extreme low pressure sales, extreme friendliness, and extreme fair pricing. That's Volkswagen of Jersey Village, a proud member of the largest dealer chain in Houston. Contact our internet department today or stop on by. We're easy to find. Just take 290 West to the Eldridge Parkway exit.